The Jordan Legacy 312 Low first debuted in 2018 and has continued to grow its lineup with a wide range of colorways. For its latest release, the silhouette takes inspiration from the iconic Air Jordan 4 Black Cat theme. Designed with input from Don C., this hybrid model arrives in a clean, all-black look that feels sleek, modern, and easy to wear. The stealthy color scheme makes it suitable for year-round use and even environments that call for a more uniform and low-key appearance. Subtle elephant print details inspired by the Air Jordan 3 add texture and depth, while still keeping the overall design monochromatic and refined. At the time of writing, Nike has not officially confirmed the release date, but updates are expected soon. The Jordan Legacy 312 Low Black Cat style is expected to retail for $145 and is projected to release around May 2026.